everyone, my name is Prerna and my channel name is Dehradun Diary. Today you are watching me on Simply Sheetal. Today I am going to share the recipe of GHEVER with you, so let's get started.
First we'll take 6 to 8 ice cubes, half cup of ghee. We'll mix it really well and then add 1 cup of maida, half cup of cold milk, half cup of cold water to it and make a batter. Then we'll fill this batter in a ketchup squeezy bottle and we'll heat some oil in a pan and pour this batter. We'll keep on making a hole in the center to pour some more batter to it, and we'll keep on pouring. Once the GHEVER is cooked, we'll take it out. Then we'll prepare sugar syrup, adding some saffron and sugar in the water and pour it on the GHEVER. And finally garnish it with nuts and rubdi.
I hope you liked the recipe, and if you want the detailed recipe you can watch it on Dehradun Diary. And bye bye for today, and keep watching Simply Sheetal. Bye bye.